Hi guys, my name is Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, and this is actually from a new company who reached out to me and were kind enough to send me a wig to review for you guys. So today this wig is from Iwona wig. Like I said, they were kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to review a wig, and I was like, hell yeah. So that's what I'm going to do today. But before we get started, as always, my Twitter and Instagram are up here. These are the best places to follow me and find out what I'm up to. I am trying to post more on YouTube this year, but also create more content spread out through all my social media. So if you'd like to keep up with what I'm doing, my Twitter and Instagram are the best place. And just a small disclaimer before we get started, even though Iwona Wigs should send this to me at no cost to myself to use and review for you guys, they are not paying me in any way, shape or form. So all thoughts and opinions are 100% my own. If something is wrong with the wig or bad with it, I will make sure to tell you. So let's get into the video. So like I said, this is from Iwona Wigs. It just came in this little parcel, but then inside of it we have a little card from the company which looks like this. It basically just has all their information on the front and little like care tips and stuff on the inside, and then a little bit about them on the back here. Also got a wig cap. This is a pack of 2 of the stocking caps. I've mentioned before that I don't necessarily like stocking caps. I prefer the netted ones because I can get my wig to like stick into my hair better with the netted ones, but you get 2 of those. And then lastly we have the wig. So it comes in this little bag here, so when we pull it out we have the lovely wig. So this is what it looks like. I got a brown sort of curly wavy lace front. I thought I'd get something a little more natural because I don't really have very many like natural wigs. They're all pretty bright and vibrant, or I have like 20,000 different shades of blonde. So I thought I'd get something brown. This is just a really nice brown. This is actually kind of closer to my natural hair color, believe it or not. So yeah, I thought I'd get something a bit more natural. So before I get into putting the wig on, I'll just tell you the actual name of the wig and the price. So this is the long wavy brown heat friendly lace front wig natural. It retails for $49, and I'm pretty sure that's US dollars, so that's actually pretty good for a lace front wig. It's made of heat resistant synthetic fibers, so you will be able to like restyle your wig with heating tools, but I'd always put it on the lowest setting that you can. It doesn't have an actual degrees that it could take, so I'd always just put your heat tools on the lowest setting and just test out one strand of hair first. But it is a heat resistant wig. It is 24 inches long and it is a wavy styled wig, and this wig also comes in other colors like black, purple, blue, orange, green and a bunch more. Like I said, it is a lace front wig, as we can see here. The lace is pretty transparent. I'm pretty sure there's not a lot of color in there. There might be like the tiniest bit, but it matches my skin tone pretty well. Inside we have 2 clips to each side here. There is also a clip in the back and also the fasteners to get it to fit your head. So I am now going to put my hair in probably the worst braid we've ever seen and get another wig cap out and then put the wig on. So this is the wig on, and honestly it's so weird seeing myself with this hair color again. I look like my mom and my sister. This is weird. But yeah, this is the wig. It is super nice. I'm just running my fingers through it to see if there's any like hair shedding. There is a tiny bit of it, but not too much. It's really nice and super soft though. It is very thick, which I like. I like wigs that have a lot of hair to them, so I really like this. Just to stand up so we can see how long it is. So my belly button is down here, so it comes like maybe just into my waist here, but it is really nice. Again, from behind. It comes, yeah, just to kind of my waist, I'd say. But it is super nice. I actually really like it. The hairline looks insanely natural from what I can see from my mirror. Show you the hairline. It looks, yeah, like insanely natural. Like, it looks really good. I can't get over it actually. Like, from here it looks like it's growing from my head. Like, it looks so good. But yeah, this is the wig. I really like it. Like, really like it. Like, none of the like curls or waves are getting like tangled in itself or anything like that. It feels so nice. It looks natural. Like, I love it. So that is all for this review. I hope you guys did enjoy it. I'll leave a link to this wig and their website down in the description bar if you wanted to check out this wig in particular, or just any of the other wigs that they have on their website. Thank you again to Iwona Wig for sending this to me. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Feel free to leave any comments, requests, questions down in the comment section below. If you'd like to follow me or contact me on any social media, links to do so are always down in the description. Like I said, my Twitter and Instagram are the best places to find me and keep up with what I'm doing. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.